How to enable Snapchat location. So if you want to enable your Snapchat location, then first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application, and after opening, here you can go to your profile, which is on the upper left corner, and here you will have your profile. And after opening your profile, you can simply scroll down, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now you can simply tap on Snap Map, and here it will show you the Snap Map. And if you want to enable your location, here on the upper right corner you will have a settings icon. Tap on settings, and then if you want to enable your location, simply tap on enable location and then tap on OK. And that's it. That's how you enable your Snapchat location. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.